In this video, we're going to learn about this amazing tool which allows us to create sitemaps and wireframes for our Framer sites in just a few minutes. This tool is called Wireframes AI, and the way it works is you simply go under the generate panel, which is going to prompt this screen right here. And as you can see on this very right hand side, we actually have a sitemap prompt which we can add. So in this example, I said to the prompt, a website for a new SaaS app that allows designing websites with AI in a fast and efficient way. I need 5 to 10 number of pages, and the language is going to be in English. And now that I basically generated this sitemap, as you can see, it literally went on and added the basic content in the main homepage. I'm also going to click on generate empty pages so we can generate automatically also the content for these about, features, pricing, and blog pages. Now, this is going to be an extremely useful tool to get started and kickstart creative brainstorming sessions with both yourself or your team. And as you can see, for example, we have the navbar, hero header section, introduction to the SaaS app with a catchy headline, subheadline, and a call to action. So it's already giving us some insights as to what the high level of this website page can look like, and even higher level of granularity over the entire project, since it literally went on and created the sitemap for all of the individual pages. Now at this point, it's not just the sitemap that we can cover, but also the wireframes. But before we do that, I want to let you know that if you needed to add your own personal notes, you can easily do that by double clicking on these input fields. You can also keep it high level and just keep the individual sections. You can also move them around very easily. So as you can see, this tool is extremely flexible, and if you need to add a section, you can simply click on the plus and you're going to be able to add pretty much any type of section that you can think about directly from this menu item. So this is really useful, very easy to use, and very flexible. You can add pages by clicking on the plus, and you can even add sub pages and kind of generate content on the go. So this is very it works like magic essentially. But the great feature is that you can also have the wireframes of these pages, and this is mind-blowing because it's going to give you an entire structure for a website in a very short amount of time, and it's actually leveraging the Relume library. So if you're going to be using a Relume library, this is essentially going to speed up your process even further. Now, it's not just this, but you can even change the layouts. So for example, over here, you're going to see that we have all sorts of different layouts in the components section of the Relume library. And what you can do is you can essentially change maybe like this to a video. You can change the asset placement. You can even replace the component altogether. And as you can see, it opens up the entire library of options, and see that I like this component better. I can easily just select it, and I have granular options over pretty much everything. And the very best part is that in one click I can copy this into Figma, or I can even copy this into Webflow. Now the great part about us Framer users, if we're not working on a Webflow project, is that the moment that I copy this into Figma, this is already using really good solid structures of auto layout, so we can then even copy it into Framer in a very short amount of time. So even though there isn't the Framer option right here, just copying it to Figma and then utilizing the Figma to Framer workflows that I showed you in the past videos is going to create an extremely fast and efficient workflow overall. So this is a tool that you absolutely do not want to miss. This is absolutely a game changer in the world of web design, in my personal opinion. And the very best part is that for the most part it's free. You're going to need to upgrade to access the wireframes also of the other pages, but I think that overall it's just providing so much value for free, especially this sitemap tool, which is going to help you, especially in the early stages of a project where you want to outline the high-level pictures, that you can share this with the client, have project approval, and then you can work on the individual pages on your site. And yeah, this is absolutely going to be a game changer, and I'm excited to see the evolution of this software and everything associated to it to speed up the process for us web designers.